Hello and welcome to the Introduction to Knowledge. My name is Mike Verdusco. I am from the Instructional Design Studio, and today we're going to cover some basics of using the Knowledge Course Server. The Knowledge Course Server is located at knowledge.udmercy.edu, and when you put that in your browser, you will be brought to this site. A couple things about this page. On the left-hand side, you'll see that you have your login boxes for your username and password. Just below that box, there is information if you need help logging in. If you need help logging in, you can contact the ITS help desk to check on your account with them. You use the same credentials that you use to log into Titan Connect to log into the Knowledge server. In the center of the page, we have some information posted here. Again, information about logging in and what times you can get that help. And then there's some information about the regular service window. Monday mornings at 7:30, we do reserve some time to do updates to the Knowledge Course server. And then there are some additional spots on here that you can get help using Knowledge. There is a help desk ticket at the bottom here where you can click to submit a help desk ticket to my department, the Instructional Design Studio. Also on the far right, there is a chat window, and you can click in this chat window and chat with any of us in the office here at the Instructional Design Studio during our normal business hours, which are generally about 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. Below the chat window, you'll also see that we have other ways of contacting us. So our telephone is there, which is 313-578-0580. Also, you can email us at ids@udmercy.edu. This is the home page, and let's go ahead and log in. So if you have your Titan Connect information, you can go ahead and type in your Titan Connect username in the username field, and then your password. And once you click login and you successfully log in, you'll be brought to your My Knowledge page. The My Knowledge page contains some quick look information. It's basically a dashboard for your courses in Knowledge. On the far left-hand side, there's a box called Tools, and you can get quick access to your grades or sending email to instructors. You can also update some personal information there. In the center column, there's your My Announcements. So courses that have announcements posted in them within the last 7 days will appear in this box without you having to go into the actual course site to view them. On the far right-hand side, you will have your My Courses list. You'll see a listing of courses you're currently enrolled in, and by clicking on the title, you will access the course site. If by chance your course listed says unavailable next to it, this means that it is unavailable to you at this time. You are enrolled in the course, but you do not have access yet. So you will receive access once the instructor turns the course on. Now, the course below it, Nurses Ways of Knowing, is available, so I can click on the title there. Clicking on the title brings me to the course site, Nurses Ways of Knowing. The course site is basically three different spaces. You'll notice the blue bar that was there on our Knowledge homepage is still there. That stays constant throughout the whole system. On the left-hand side, we have navigation for this particular course site. Your navigation may change a little bit depending on which course site you're in and what the instructor has set up for you. And on the right-hand side, we have the content window. The content window contains any content that is accessed through the menu on the left. So, for example, when we are brought into the course from the My Knowledge page, we traditionally land on the announcements page. And this is a listing of the announcements that have posted in the class. But if we go ahead and say click on the syllabus link, it will take us to that link on the right hand side and show us what content is available there. And we can see there's a link to the syllabus if we'd like to download and look at that. As we navigate through the course site, we can click on several of these links, have different information on them, and your instructor will guide you onto what items you need to be accessing and when. If by chance you come into your course site and you find that it might just look like this announcements page here, it could be possible that the menu has collapsed. Look for this little tab with the arrow on it, and if you click that, it will open and close the menu. To find additional support while you're in Knowledge, you can click on this logo in the upper left-hand corner. It says University of Detroit Mercy. Click here for support. And when you're done using Blackboard, it is always wise to log out, especially if you are using a public computer such as the library or one of the computer labs on campus. You always want to make sure that you log out so that no one gains access to your account. Again, if you need to contact the Instructional Design Studio with questions about using the Knowledge course server, you can find our information on the Knowledge homepage at knowledge.udmercy.edu. Thank you for your time and attention, and congratulations on entering your program, and I hope you have a wonderful experience here at UDM.